I'm tired. I'm tired. I feel like my faith is becoming expired. I'm tired. Even the pain on my chest is promoted. I'm exhausted. I've been trying but failing because I'm not well connected. I'm devastated. Is this a dream or a sin? If it's a dream, please wake me up. If it's a sin, remind the director to cut and never roll up. If it's a CD, press pause, of course, never play that CD again and again. Because my heart is bleeding. My life is in the darkness, there is no lightning and leading. Out loud I've been crying, singing and praying. I've been walking, running and hustling. I've been fighting, but life kept on punching. I'm in this ring of boxing with life, I'm falling. But life is still punching more and more. Pushes me away corner to corner. I'm tired. Even the life made me to lose the focus. What is coming back? It's you, Jesus Christ, or the answers? Or you gonna let them talk? I'm talking about the ancestors. I'm tired. Tell me, what game are you playing? Cause I'm tired of trying. Am I even gonna make it? I'm tired of faking. Am I ever gonna be here? Because I'm tired of praying. Are you even listening? Really, I'm drained. I feel numb, nothing is functioning. My brain is tired of thinking.